It's no secret healthcare is expensive. Even with insurance, many procedures aren't covered. And with the tripling of participation in high-deductible healthcare plans since 2009, this isn't just an issue facing patients, it's a problem for healthcare providers too. I met with the founders of Prosper Healthcare Lending here in the studio to discuss how they've stepped in with a breakthrough solution that offers patients financial services where they need it, when they need it, and how Salesforce has given them power to connect with customers and keep them happy and healthy throughout the process.
Our mission at Prosper Healthcare Lending is to make healthcare affordable. And the way that we do that for patients throughout the country is by offering affordable payment options to help them pay for out-of-pocket medical expenses. Typically, individuals are putting their treatments on credit cards. Credit cards are a very good transactional device. They're a very poor way to borrow money.
You bet.
There's a significant demand for healthy payment options.
Sure.
You can find out in 15 seconds after filling out your information on the application whether you qualify for financing options.
How does Salesforce help you dazzle customers?
Because we have everyone on Salesforce, we're able to use it as an automation tool to communicate the pass-offs between departments. You know, when we bring a new client on, for example, there's probably 4 to 5 different departments at the same time who are interacting with the same client. Salesforce is the tool by which we built all this automation so that when one trigger happens, 4 people know what to do.
I think an example of that is whenever an individual receives a loan offer from Prosper Healthcare Lending, it's typically online or on their mobile device, we automatically launch a live agent chat session with them and congratulate them on their approval and invite them to engage with us at that point to see if we can assist them.
You know, our best salesmen are not the best at inputting information, they're the best at selling. You know, call logging and opportunities and accounts, just like the core basics of Salesforce, they're built to make that information easily flow and work together. And then as you move levels up, we're building automation on that data, and then we're plugging in different platforms on top of that data that are syncing with Salesforce. All of our emails are coming into Salesforce. It's organizing the lives of all of our salesmen. So there's just so many benefits that come from having all of the information and automation that you need in one place. And I think Salesforce does an exceptional job at making itself a platform.
What best practices and lessons learned would you like to share with other companies that are starting off with Salesforce?
At some point in time, you have to think farther out than 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, and say, in 3 to 5 years from now, or in 10 years from now, or when we have 10 times the customers we do today, is this current setup going to work? And when you have that reality check in the mirror and you realize we're going to blow up if we don't change the way that our data is structured and we connect things better, that's when you realize we got to make some important decisions, and thinking big picture is kind of the theme of that will help small businesses, I would say.
When you hear people talk about a healthy business, without a doubt, Prosper is the kind of business they're talking about. To learn more, visit salesforce.com/smallbusinesssolutions.